AISI 316L stainless steel press fittings are widely used to create potable water systems on large cruise ships. Reliability, and especially the speed in creating press fitting systems, have made them now indispensable on large ships. These large floating entertainment-filled cities, in fact, must be built and implemented as soon as possible to immediately begin covering the enormous construction costs. Other pluses of press fittings used in ships are the sturdiness and weight of the system, which is relatively low due to the pipes with reduced thickness used in the press fitting system. Often aboard ships, the space for service systems is very limited, so the pipes must be mounted in niches that also contain other types of systems. Thanks to the pressing equipment, which is very compact and has swiveling terminals, pressing fittings in small spaces is no longer a problem. Euro 2 AISI 316L press fittings are certified for the naval industry, according to RINA and ABS standards. Also keep in mind that AISI 316L stainless steel offers a high degree of resistance in areas near the sea, but it is absolutely not suitable for transporting salt water. In fact, in this case, you must use press fittings in pipes in copper and nickel. For additional information, can consult the Euro 2B press fitting technical manual, which you can download from our website. Thanks.